Areas surrounding Lake Tahoe should evacuate immediately due to a substance similar to that of molten liquid glass emerging from the lake. Large fires have been reported, with temperatures reaching as high as 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, resulting in buildings exploding and sending debris into the air. Evacuate to the emergency shelters set up in the following California counties: Lassen, Mono, Plumas, and Sierra, or the following Nevada counties: Churchill, Lander, and Pershing. Check social media or visit www.perimetermap.com for updates.